Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. We have known each other a while.
So long. These are so fun.
Such great friends.
Such great
co-workers.
Yes.
Comrades.
Business partners. Brothers and sisters.
Blondes.
Brothers and sisters?
Blondes.
Blondes,
Yeah.
for sure. Natural? I don't know.
That's probably not. Yeah, that's probably true. But if you guys could read our text chain sometimes with what we get and don't get in normal conversation.
Guys.
And we're actually quite intelligent.
You would want us to have our own show.
We do. This is called
Vocal Lab.
What are we going to react to today? React. What are we going to react to today, Katie?
We are reacting to my girl who...
Tell us who it is.
Miley Cyrus.
Tell us why she's your girl.
She's my girl because I grew up with a family in Franklin, Tennessee, actually.
You sure did.
Sure did.
Miley, Noah, the whole crew. Billy,
Yeah.
Ray.
Yeah. Well, Brandy.
Brandy.
I grew up riding horses with Brandy.
Aw.
Anyways, one of the most amazing families anyone will ever know and love. Miley is so incredibly talented.
She
and
is insanely
insane.
talented.
In so many ways.
Yeah.
So we're reacting to Prisoners with Dua Lipa, which I have been listening to this song since it came out, but I've actually not watched the whole video. So this is going to be,
cool.
Which is why I'm really relaxed right now. Let's just dive right into it.
Does that make you Miley and I'm Dua?
It depends. We might go a little bit back and forth.
Okay.
Yeah, depends on the mood.
Okay. Let's listen. Gross. Wasn't expecting that. Whoa. Are those her real lips?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. Are you kidding me?
Those are her lips?
Yes. Miley has the best lips. One thing that we open the song out with immediately is once you hear Miley's voice, you know it's Miley.
There is no other voice.
Her
like
talking
Miley Cyrus.
voice, her singing voice, it is her again.
It is one
as
of,
we love,
yes.
unapologetically her.
It is one of the most uniquely disguisable vocals on planet Earth right now.
1000%.
Right? Like she will. I'm gonna say this too.
Sorry.
She will go down like a Bob Dylan as far as like as soon as you hear it, you just know it.
No, she really will.
You know,
she really will.
And that's true of like most famous artists. Like we know their voices, but this is next level stuff. She has really nice teeth.
Oh yeah. She has nice everything.
That's true.
Wow, sexy back in time, right?
Whoa, how'd she split her tongue like that? That's weird.
I will say Dua Lipa, vocally, was a great contrast to Miley's voice.
Totally.
With this.
Yeah.
Also,
Dua Lipa and Miley snuggled up together is like, who doesn't want to see that?
well, I mean, it's kind of like us snuggled up together.
That's why we did this?
No, but
we really didn't, but it works.
But it works. It's
It
organic.
totally worked. Wow. I'm driving the bus.
I'm putting my logo.
Lick your lips. Yes. They sound so good together.
So good.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
That was incredible. She sounded so good.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it. She sounded so amazing.
So good.
And her phrasing on that and her visual and vocal prowess with those words was like, my eyes were like, oh my gosh.
Y'all, she is a performer to the max.
The max.
Like, not only is she an entertainer that can really entertain and she does not lip sync, this girl just goes balls to the wall when it comes to her standing on stage and entertaining her fans.
Yeah.
She loves her fans beyond belief. But she is just so good at she loves these legends, and what I love about that is she's embodying them in her own way, so that she's literally... I mean, she's literally becoming a legend herself.
She is. Like, when she sings with Dolly, who's her godmother, when they sing Jolene together, oh my gosh.
It's stupid.
On the Super Bowl, she sang with Joan Jett. Come on.
I know.
Like, not many people can do that.
No.
It's incredible.
No, not at all.
Give us more.
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
Party time.
Oh, this is getting saucy. Whoa.
Now we're pouring cherries.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
everyone in the world.
Runs fall out of her, and I love them.
I was thinking about how she just licked that face. Like, sorry, I missed the run. There's something for everyone.
Yeah, there's something for everyone.
This is such a crazy great video.
It's crazy.
But that run was sick. You're right.
Run was amazing. Video's incredible. They're literally doing this song and taking you back in time.
Yeah.
In a modern way. So they're doing a really good blend of the two.
Video's sick. Oh, she bitter. Dang.
Okay. So the two of these girls actually have really good, so insane ranges, if we're going to get technical with it. Crazy range, but they're really good at, again, honing in those low, full notes.
Mm-hmm. A lot of girls can't do that.
A lot of girls can't do that.
It's really sexy.
And a lot of girls are scared to do that.
Yes.
Because everyone is always thinking, let me sing high, let me sing high, let me sing high, which of course is great too. But there's something to say, something to be said about when you literally sing where you talk. So if you're singing down here, if you're talking down here and you have some notes down here, the two of them, they're freaking me out. They're so good.
Yeah, it's so good. I would watch this show.
100%.
Any day. Oh my gosh.
The effects are amazing.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That was incredible.
The best 3
In loving
minutes.
memory of all my exes eat shit.
Oh my gosh. That's incredible.
That's so good.
That is
what
so
a perfect
good.
ending to a video.
That's a great tattoo, to be honest
That
with
is
you.
a great tattoo.
Right there. If y'all are
you
looking
gonna get
for,
that one?
you know,
No, you're not.
I won't, but all my exes can eat it. Am I allowed to say it?
No. You're supposed to say the word, not that.
Am I allowed to say that on here?
I think so. It's YouTube.
Okay, well, all my exes can eat shit. I don't know.
Yeah,
Mothers are watching.
They'll bleep us if not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, Miley Cyrus and Dua Lipa, Prisoners, incredible. And the thing is,
that was really good.
Really good.
Entertaining.
Very entertaining.
Dang. They nailed that.
Yeah, they did.
And obviously
that's a hard song to nail. Like, taking us back in time is,
totally,
when someone's already done it.
Yeah, and the song didn't
life.
really do anything crazy vocally. A couple runs and a few little notes here and there, but it was just a solid, straightforward song. And they entertained the hell out of us.
Yeah.
And it's just so
them.
sexy without being crazy.
Yeah.
You know, and for some people that's going to be crazy.
It was very 80s sexy.
Yeah.
Like, it was not like 2020 sexy. It was literally like, they were like, let's go back in the 80s. Let's get dark and crazy like they did back in the day. Take risks. It took us back in time.
Totally.
So, all right, you guys, go check this out.
Yes.
My girl Miley, she's always going to be bringing the best of the best.
She is. She's solid.
She is. She is. All right, I'm Katie Talbot.
I'm Jason Catron.
Vocal Lab Collective.
Till next time, all my exes can.